Today I'm going to do a front brakes and pad on a Corolla 2007. It should be the same for '03 to '08. Okay, got two rotors, one in that one. The new pad came with a grease to help the brake pad not to make noise. And new shims. Okay, check to see your brake fluid reservoir. If it's too high, you wanna, take some out, because we're gonna push the brake pad, and if it's too full, it's gonna come out and get all over your engine. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start losing caliper nut right here. It's 14. There's one on the bottom too. Okay. Now removing the caliper bracket. So this will require more force, tighter than the other one. Locking the camera. It's the only way I can get it out with the cheetah ball. Okay, got those thing off. Caliper nut got off. One bottom and one on top. Pressing the roller also. Touch right here. There you go. It's off right there. So it look like the camera can catch it. It's still good. Slide pin. Look like it's okay. It's still okay. Not stick it out, which is good. Yeah. Old one. See, it has kind of cut in right there. Hopefully I aim the camera right. Boy, clean it up. Same. See the calculation. Same thing on this side. I think they're the same. Take out your old one. This has helped me out going instead of trying to guess, you know. So for this, I'm not sure how many foot-pound this one is for a brake caliper, but I'm gonna put this. I think it's something about 79 foot-pounds. So don't quote on me, okay? Don't know. So I'm gonna tie it. It's not getting this much. Come up. You gotta turn off the camera. Not double check it later. Now I can put the brake pad in, but thinking, should I use the grease they send? Same thing here. So make sure you don't put too much. You don't want all the grease. When the grease tight and the noise, you know? A little bit. Not much. A little. Outside so inside. So you have room to fit in here, okay? And you can use your. Okay, pushing my C-clamp back. Checking the brake reservoir, so make sure it's not come out too much, okay? Look, right now it looks okay. Like flush. Go anymore? Good enough. This should fit. And down the back. Yeah, I think it's okay. It should be back. Yeah, this is gonna go back in. Yeah, try not to twist. See it fit. A little bit more. Yeah, make sure this rubber here don't pinch again this thing, okay? Like that. Everything's okay. Let me try to fit this time now. Hey, going perfectly. Yeah, but first I gotta re-grease this one. Okay, sit here. Oh, you changing the brakes? Yes. You need a chain, you know? clean up this one. I'm using these. These for brake pad, prevent squeal, calipers prevent eliminate sticky. Okay. See the tap here, so it's not
Brakes?
Hey, brake!
Braking caliper and stuff?
Yeah, no, just brakes and rotor.
The what?
Brakes and rotor.
Oh, brakes and rotor.
Yeah.
A lot easier than the Corolla.
Yeah, it's easy. 1, 2. So see, very grease left, but I'm gonna leave it. Clean up.
In the camera, right? I can't see. We're right in front of the camera here. It should be right. Let me pick up anything so I can see a camera angle.
Put the bottom nut back on. Make sure this one is seated all the way. Don't want this guy to pop out like that.
Again. 14.
One done. Turn my wheel back on straight. So put the wheel backs on. And it's done. And you just put your lug nut and that's it.
This is on passenger side.
And the driver side the same procedure. I'm gonna go do that side. So when I drop the car down, I'll torque them. But now, I need to go do a passenger driver side. Okay, then pump the brake until your brake is firm, okay? Yeah. So you want the brake pad contact your new rotor, right? And then take a test drive, make sure everything's okay.